With the latest arrival of the iPad Pro, MOMAX has launched a powerful series to accessorize, such as the Paper Touch series and the One-Link Stylus pen. It comes in different sizes and has a paper-like sensation, which makes it ideal for sketching. It is a matte texture with anti-glare and anti-scratch to avoid daily scratches. To better enhance the experience, you can use One-Link Active Stylus pen to draw and sketch. This comes with a detachable strap from which you can easily take it out from, and to operate you can simply click once, and you can also replace the fine tip with another one. The tip has a wider sensitivity and you can easily sketch and draw and to create a more dynamic line weight. We also offer an iPad case collection. Make sure to check them out on our website. Thanks for watching and make sure to leave down a comment below to tell me what you liked the most.